Welcome. So today I am with AirPods Pro and the Apple Watch Series 3, and I'm gonna show you how to connect your AirPods Pro manually to the Apple Watch. So yeah, this is the possibility to do this. So unlock your Apple Watch for the first, and right now just connect your AirPods to your Apple Watch, and right now just swipe your finger like this, and here we have to click on this icon, and as you can see, now we can choose between the Galaxy Buds or the AirPods Pro. So I'm of course going with AirPods Pro, and right now as you can see, we manually connected them to the watch. So this is how it looks. Thank you for watching. Leave likes, comments and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.